Deputy Speaker.
I feel
Deputy Speaker.
I feel abused.
Deputy Speaker.
I really do feel
Honourable members.
Can you please
You didn't feel like that
Honourable
when
members,
Trump was
Honourable
abusing you in the White
Matiase.
House. Why didn't
Honourable
you feel
Matiase.
abused in the White House?
Because
You're abused by your
I'm
own
here.
colleagues in South Africa.
I'm here to
Honourable
answer
members.
Abused you in the
questions.
White House. You come to call abuse here. It's wrong what you're doing, President.
Honourable President,
You were
my
abused with
apologies, but,
disinformation
there's
in the
a clear
White House. You
intention
accuse
to
us of
disrupt
abuse.
proceedings this afternoon.
No.
Pressing issues at that stage in the discussion in the White House was certainly the safety effects and the fact that people felt that they've got to flee as refugees. That was the pressing issue. And I'm quite sure that the whole issue with regards to expropriation and the property rights were discussed afterwards. But if you've got 2 minutes to address something, you can certainly not touch on all the things. I think it was very important for Minister Steenhuisen to show President Trump that the two individuals, Mr. Malema and Mr. Zuma, are leaders of minority parties, because he said that they were part of government and they are not. So I think it was very important for Mr. Steenhuisen to make those points and to also say that farm murders, farm attacks are a reality, and he wants it to be declared as a priority crime. But it is not